Hello, students. Welcome to EduRev. Have you ever felt afraid of someone you also loved and wondered why your heart gave you two different feelings at once? In today's short lesson, we will walk through the story of Kezia and learn how fear, misunderstanding, and quiet love can live together in a family. By the end of this video, you will understand how Kezia's view of her father changes, what events trigger that change, and the deeper message Catherine Mansfield wants us to feel. Kezia is a young girl who lives in a house where her mother reads softly and her father is a stern, commanding presence. She calls him a figure to be feared because his loud voice, strict routine, and harsh punishments make her nervous and small. One sign of her anxiety is how she stutters only when he is near. A tiny human reaction that tells us how tense she feels around him. The father follows a rigid routine and expects obedience. So Kezia never feels completely safe or at ease in his presence. At home, there is also a gentle contrast. Her grandmother, who encourages Kezia to see beyond fear, and the neighbor Mr. MacDonald, who plays with his children freely. This contrast opens a window for Kezia. She notices other ways of being a parent and begins to wonder why her father seems different. The turning point arrives with a small, innocent mistake. Kezia makes a pincushion for her father's birthday, stuffing it with scraps of paper. Unwittingly, she tears up a speech or important papers belonging to her father. And when he discovers it, he punishes her harshly. The punishment deepens her fear and makes her question whether fathers must always be strict and unkind. Her imagination fills with big questions. Are fathers always frightening? Or does something else hide behind the stern face? Later, when her mother falls ill, Kezia is left alone with her father in a more private, quieter house. That night, she wakes from a nightmare, frightened and vulnerable. And something surprising happens. Her father, who usually seems distant, comes to comfort her, bringing a tender, human side into the room at an hour of weakness. He soothes her, keeps watch until she sleeps. And in that gentle care, Kezia glimpses a different truth about him. This single scene dissolves some of her fear and helps her see that his sternness may be shaped by fatigue, responsibility, and love. Instead of a cold, unfeeling man, she begins to realize he is tired from work, trying to do his duty, and capable of quiet affection. That shift from fear to empathy is the heart of the story. A small, powerful movement in Kezia's feelings and understanding. Let's look a little deeper. The torn speech and the pincushion are symbols of misunderstanding and accidental harm, not deliberate cruelty. Kezia's mistake is innocent, and her father's reaction is severe. But the later comfort shows complexity in his character. Catherine Mansfield invites readers to hold two truths at once. People can be strict and also deeply loving, sometimes out of care rather than anger. For a Class 9 reader, this means thinking about motive and context, why someone acts harshly, and what hidden pressures might shape that behavior. The story also shows how small acts of kindness can change a relationship more than words ever could. When Kezia is soothed after her nightmare, the walls between her and her father begin to come down. Not because he explains himself, but because he acts lovingly. This teaches us an important skill: to look for reasons behind actions and to give space for compassion even when we feel hurt. Empathy doesn't erase pain, but it helps us understand people more fully and respond with care instead of only fear. Now, a quick recap of key moments: Kezia's fear, the pincushion mistake, the punishment, the neighborly contrast, the nightmare, and the comforting act. Each of these moments builds the emotional arc from misunderstanding to understanding and from distance to connection. The central insight is simple: strictness can hide love, and seeing that takes patience, observation, and sometimes a moment of shared vulnerability. For your exam style thinking, remember to link events to feelings. The torn speech causes punishment and fear. The nightmare causes intimacy and new perception. Also note character contrast. Mr. MacDonald shows playful parenting, while Kezia's father shows duty-bound sternness. Both reveal different facets of fatherhood. Language and small details matter too. Kezia's stutter, the household routines, and the imagery of scraps all help build mood and theme. As you study this chapter, ask yourself how the author uses simple actions to reveal emotional truth rather than long explanations. Think about how silence, a bedside vigil, or a small gift can say more than a long speech about love and care. Before we close, let's highlight the model gently. Understanding someone often means looking beyond behavior to the reasons behind it. Instead of rushing to anger or labeling a person unfairly, try to notice the pressures they carry and the ways they still care. This is not to excuse hurtful actions, but to add a layer of compassion that can help heal relationships over time. In 2 lines, fear can become empathy, punishment can be softened by care, and a single kind act can change a child's heart. To sum up briefly, Kezia begins afraid, makes an innocent mistake, is punished, but ultimately sees her father's love when he comforts her in a moment of need. This reveals the story's message about family bonds, hidden affection, and the slow work of understanding each other. Thank you for listening so kindly and following Kezia's small but meaningful journey with me.